student. Student, in previous video we have studied about the types of the rainfall. The last one we have studied about the that is a cyclonic rainfall as well as the instrument of rainfall, that is the rain gauge. Now in this video I am going to teach you about the what is meant by fog, dew and frost, and after that the effects of the precipitation, and last one point is that acid rain. Now see student, how the fog, dew or frost form. Let's see now. When the temperature of the layer in the air, means air in the air reduces, temperature reduces, okay, and that air that come with the contact of the cold surface, that time student, condensation process occurs. What happened? Vapors turns into the microscopic water particles, and student, that water particles when the form because of the condensation process, okay, then float in the, that started the float in the air, okay. Now see, when the density of these droplets in the air increases, fog occurs. Now see student, when the temperature of the layers of the air near the surface of the earth reduces, the temperature reduces, okay. When the student temperature of the layer of the air near the surface is reduces, that time student, water vapor turns into the microscopic water particles, and that started to float in the air. When the density of these droplets increases, that time that turn into the that microscopic water particles droplets turn into the fog. Understood student? What is meant by fog? Now we have to see about the dew. What is meant by dew? Okay. Now see student, when the moisture laden air come with the contact of the cold air, moisture laden air come the contact of the cold air, okay, cold air, yeah, cold object, okay, condensation of the water vapor takes place. They turn into the very small water droplets. These water droplets stick on the surface of the cold object. This is called the dew. Now see student, when the moisture laden air come the contact with the cold object and their condensation process occur, water vapor turn into the very small particles, water droplet, and these water droplets stuck in cold object. It is called the dew. Okay student, now see, third is that if the temperature of the air is less than the 0 degree Celsius, okay, water droplets stuck into the surface, and because of the 0 degree Celsius that started to freeze, it is called the frost. Again I repeat that students, what is meant by fog? When the temperature of the layers of the air reduces near the earth's surface, that time condensation process occur, vapor turns into the microscopic water particles, droplet particles, and they, because of the lightweight, they started to float in the air, and when the density of the water droplets increase, that time they turn into the water droplet particles turn into the fog. Dew, when the student moisture laden air near the earth's surface come contact with the cold object, that time student, small water droplet particle forms, okay, droplet form. These water droplets stick in cold object, it is called dew. And third one student, when the temperature less than the 0 degree Celsius, okay, the water that water droplet stuck on the surface, of the cold and then started to freeze because of the temperature is below the 0 degrees, and this is called the frost. Understood student what is meant by fog, dew or frost? Now next is that effect of the precipitation. Student, if you see there are some good as well as advantages or disadvantages of the precipitation. Now see student, potable water is available. The main rainfall, precipitation is the main source of the potable water. Okay, because of the precipitation, potable water is available to us. Student, if you see heavy rainfall, in which means because of the heavy rainfall, floods may be occur, and because of the floods, because of the floods, people lost their life as well as property. Because of the low quantity of because of the shortage of rainfall, drought condition can become. Okay, there is a shortage of the foods. We face the shortage of the food as well as water. Okay, many people can lose their life. Okay, because of the drought condition. Now, fourth one is the untimely rainfall. Suppose student time rainfall fall on a time, that time our production of our crops get nice. Okay, but untimely rainfall occur. Find that times many large quantity of crops can be destroyed because of the untimely rainfall. Okay, student, now see, next is the visibility reduces. Student, if you see because of the precipitation is the form of the precipitation is the fog, dew and frost. There are subtypes of. Okay, because of the fog, dew or frost, visibility reduces, and because of that many transportation systems as well as accident occur on a large quantity. Then harmful for crops. If you see the student, because of the frost, frost is harmful for the crops. Okay, damage some crops. And because of the fog and dew, many crops damage. Okay, understood student? In this way, we have studied about the effect of precipitation. Next point is the acid rain. See now what is meant by acid rain, student? Now see, because of the air pollution in the industrial area, student, we are also living near the industrial zone. That is Randogai Embassy is near from us. We can see that is a dark smoke in the air, that is floating in the air. That is one symbol of the pollution, student. Because of the air pollution in the industrial areas, various gas mix in the air. Okay, when the student, that water vapor turned into the water droplets. Okay, that air get mixed. Okay, different acid are created when the water vapor in the air reacts chemically. When the water vapor in the air react chemically, okay, different types of gas mixed. Okay, such as for example nitric acid, sulfuric acid. Precipitation of the water with dissolved acid. Precipitation of water with the dissolved acid rain. It is a harmful us. Okay, harmful us. And when it is such as the type of the rain which on the ground, it is called the acid rain. This rain is harmful to living or non-living organism. Okay, student, now see, because of the air pollution in industrial area, that air means various gas mix with air in different type of acid created. Okay, when the water vapor in the air reacts chemically, and with these gases, many gases form. For example, nitric acid, sulfuric acid. So precipitation of the air with dissolve with the acid reach on the ground. Such a rainfall is called the acid rain. These rain are the harmful to living or non-living things. Okay, student, in this